So we'll be looking at CYB 201 today. And if you went through the scheme, this is just the first 3 weeks are basically summary of what we did last semester. So we'll just go through the key points. Then we now go into the add food for the course. I think this should be a refresher. So I will be asking questions at random. We have done all of this already. So you help us to define cybersecurity. In your own words, cybersecurity.
My own understanding, cybersecurity is the act of protecting the internet as a whole from attackers, malware, phishing, and any form of fraudulent activities. The act of keeping the cyberspace secure from any form of attack that might harm individuals. Also, the act of protecting people's privileges, rights, and their assets from every form of attack.
Okay, so give it to someone else to explain confidentiality. Just pick anybody, confidentiality, pick anybody.
Good everyone. Confidentiality in cybersecurity is just like protecting your client's trust. Like anything that a client gives to you, he has the trust that this will not be tampered with.
Okay, give it to the next person. Integrity. Integrity. Please, once they give you the mic, just answer. We just have one hour. We have lost one already. Integrity.
Okay, integrity in cybersecurity means that you can be able to give correct, maybe good links that can be able to dictate.
Did I see you in our class last semester? This face looks new. She's new. No, are you new? Did you attend class last semester? How many? Or which group? Okay, give it to someone else. Availability.
Good morning, everyone. Availability is CIE track is always making sure that the information is always easy to access for the right person.
Okay. Give someone else to explain authentication. Authentication.
So authentication is the process of verifying an identity, something like that.
Pick someone to help you. Authentication. Okay, give someone else access control.
Access control simply means the protection that we keep the
Please give someone else access control.
access control is making sure that an information is available to the right person.
Okay. Who can attempt non-repudiation?
Non-repudiation is having like digital signature of the files so that you can know who the real sender of the file or something is.
Okay, someone could, I know we didn't talk about fault tolerance, but can someone attempt it? Fault tolerance. Anybody, fault tolerance.
What you can say is the ability to keep going even when a particular system or something fails.
Yeah, perfect. Just hold the mic in case we're asking other questions. So, the objective of this particular course would try to understand the fundamental terms again, key security principles, and identify common tools. We have already explained cybersecurity to be the collection of tools, policy, concepts, guidelines, risk management approaches to protect both the cyber environment and the users. And it deals with computer defense, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, networks, and data from malicious attack. There's always a misconception that cybersecurity is just about large tech companies, but it's not about that. It's also about smaller systems, as small as banking apps, your university portals, and even your own private registration details. We have tried to explain confidentiality, ensuring that information is accessible only to those authorized to have access. Tools like using password encryption, biometric verification helps to maintain confidentiality. Just for instance, only WAEC should have access to students' full SSC scores. We thought of integrity, maintaining or ensuring that information is not altered in transit. Integrity, that means the information I uploaded should be the same one that is being seen by a student without being changed. We talked of availability, information being available whenever it is needed. Just like our INEC portal, you can vote now. In the evening, the results, they will tell you the server is down. That means availability has been compromised. Authenticity, verifying that a user is who the user claims they are. For instance, using MFA. Previously, we used passwords, but since passwords are now being hacked, there's a concept called MFA, meaning multi-factor authentication, password plus OTP. You go to some sites, you put in your password, and they now ask you to verify your phone number, where they will send in an OTP code. Please, the person with the mic, what is OTP? If you don't know, give any other person. OTP. Give anybody of your choice. Sorry? One-time password. OTP means one-time password. Once generated, it cannot be reused anymore, and it's generated for a particular time limit. We have what is called access control. Access control means access to information based on permissions. Example, on your university portal, only ICT administrators should be able to modify student biodata and not just any user. Now, non-repudiation. This ensures that if I send or modify an information, I shouldn't deny it. What does it mean? If you go to ICTC now to modify your data, let's say I know a guy called Mr. XYZ in ICTC. He edits your student data. Maybe he made a mistake. Tomorrow you go back to complain. He may deny. But there's a feature that helps us to know exactly who modified a particular information, and that is called non-repudiation. And we do that using what is called audit logs or digital signature. In audit log means that any change in a system is logged, means the record is kept. In audit log, your phone is meant to have a record of when you turn on the phone, when you are charging the phone, when the battery went down, when you open your WhatsApp, when you closed it, when you did anything. That is audit log, and that is the only way we use to trace non-repudiation characteristics. Fault tolerance, like Guy explained, the ability of a system to operate properly even when some components fail. Banks must have fault tolerance system. For instance, if you watch some of these movies where hackers operate, sometimes their first target, if they want to pull down a building, they go into their power generation unit. We have seen that. So in server rooms, what we usually do is to put a UPS or an inverter inside the server room itself. Meaning that if you turn off external power, the UPS should automatically come up to safeguard core infrastructure. Let's see firewall. We have already explained. Let me close this. Okay, I wanted to blank this out. It's not working. So we talked of firewalls, which means blocking unauthorized access or allowing some exclusive traffic to go through a particular network. We also spoke of antivirus last time. We talked of IDS systems and virtual private networks. We are going to watch a particular video that explains all of this. In our class now, we'll be introducing some videos so that they can help you to remember what we are doing.